guys, our tutorial for today is about how to enhance your face mask. Even though it is a cheap face mask, so you can add an additional safety feature on it. Now, the issue of this cheap face mask is this. When you wear it, alright? Secured face mask should be that you breathe, inhale and exhale on this area. But however, this kind of cheap face mask, the air is coming from this side. There is an opening here. And air is coming in and out when you inhale and exhale. So how do you secure this? Other people are trying to make these things like they are trying to make this X and this X. But still there is an opening, right? So I will teach you how to close this area here, right? And it's very easy. When we secure this area, the same as what I did in my face mask, I will show you. This is the modified face mask. Look, there is no opening on this side here. No, this is secured from the side and also secured from this side. So I only breathe on this area here. Inhale and exhale. Okay guys, now this is what I did. Okay. Okay, see that? Now I'll show you how does it look like. Okay, now this is the face mask which I sewed from this side here, and see how does it look like. Alright, see that? This is closed from here. Close from here, this is close from the side, and so this chin here. So I breathe only on this area, inhale and exhale. So that means this is more safer than without doing anything on a cheap face mask. Okay, so if you are in an it's also closed from the side, closed from the side, closed from the top, and also from the chin. Alright, so you are secured with this kind of modification from the side here. It's either you staple it or you sew it.